Here's a mid-July update on my garden. What happened here? The laundry baskets. They've been a little bit too easy to evaporate water, to lose water, so I had to rub them in a clean rub, which helped to contain water. Then the towers here that I built, putting one pot on top of another one so that the roots of the plants that are bigger now can have more space. Here's another such tower, double pot, and then squash right there. The squash is in a double pot too, pot tower. And here's an eggplant tomato pot tower. Strawberries are doing great. The pepper right there is getting ready. Tomatoes are coming little by little. Here's more peppers, still green, hiding there among the leaves. The lettuce is still going in this laundry basket together with basil. And here's more tomatoes coming. And these are cucumbers that I picked this morning. And that's a tomato that's been put in kind of late, and I used the crate to make a pot for him. Squash has lots little squashes, but unfortunately not all of them took because their timing of male and female flowers was not good. So I think I'll have only a couple squashes because all the female flowers were opening and later it had male flowers. But I'm gonna take this one. I actually cook these spent flowers together with other vegetables. They taste good. And the little ones, whoever is not growing, I'm gonna pick them too and use them with my vegetable dishes. The squash leaves developing little mildew spots right here. This is mildew. This is mildew. This is mildew. And I've been cutting the old leaves off right here. But the younger leaves are pretty healthy. This is okra. I got this spot going later, so this okra plants are still very small. I've been picking beans, so there's not much left. Here's a pretty good one.